We are up 1,500% in 8 days. 4.5 times my views in 8 days. 1,500% accounts reached increase. 202% increase in profile visits. These are huge fucking numbers, and I did this in 8 days on this brand new account, Online Rich with Alex. Oh, did I do this? I posted 6 reels, 2 carousels, 3 trial reels, and 54 stories. So what have I learned since then? Building an Instagram, building a personal brand, building an online business is supposed to be fucking fun. It is not your 9 to 5 job. Take the stick out of your fucking ass. The more fun you're having, the more fun people are gonna have consuming your content, the more reach, engagement, followers you are going to get. Or 2, you are going to get unfollowed. And that is a note that I didn't touch on here, is I did lose followers. I got 8 new and I got 16 unfollow. And that's normal. People are gonna unfollow you, especially because I went and revived an old account that had a totally different topic to begin with. I used to use this account as my studio business account. I had like 1,500 followers. Not everybody on there wants to see me talking about building a personal brand and online business. So that is going to happen, but you're still gonna lose followers, and that's fucking cool. Get the fuck out of here if you don't want to see this type of content. It is not something to take personally. It is going to fluctuate. Just remember, you are still growing because you're getting those new followers too that actually want to see what you're putting out there. Number 3, sharing real connection content is what is working. You need to show up, be real, be raw, share your story. Number 4, consistency is a huge part of growth. Like I said, posted basically I posted something every single day, but I posted 8 feed pieces over 8 days. Not only do you get more content out there, see what's working, you're able to test and play it in that sense, but you're showing up more consistently over time. People are seeing more and more of you. That being said, if you're putting out shit content, just put out content, and I've done this in the past, just with shit. I said I was gonna post twice today and I didn't. Let's just put something up, but it's not on brand, the messaging isn't there. It's not really helping. So don't just force yourself. Put time and effort into your content. And if that is 3 times a week, that is your consistency. It doesn't have to be every single day. Number 5, this is something that was huge for me. And it's not something I just learned until the past 8 days. It's probably something I learned in the past month. Is to stop creating a fucking list of what content to create and just create the content. You'll have these running lists of content that you'll be like, oh, I'll get to that and I'll create this after. No, instead of doing that, when you have the idea, build the carousel in Canva right then, or put that quote on a B-roll that you already have right then, and then either post it right then or post it in the morning. Plan it out, but create it then and get it out there. Stop making a fucking list. This is how in the past 8 days, I have 4.5 times my Instagram growth in 8 days by posting 8 reels, 54 stories, and 2 carousels. That is it. That's not a ton of content. If I can do it, you can do it. Keep following Online Rich with Alex for more growth, but also for building your personal brand and turning that into an online business where you can make money online and become online rich with me.